Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and wow, can you believe it? This is episode 10. We have officially completed 1/3 of our journey together. Give yourself a pat on the back. I'm so proud of you for staying with me. Today, to celebrate, I'm taking you through my real daily routine. Forget the boring textbook sentences. I'm going to show you how to use linking words to make your day sound like a story. Ready? Let's dive in. Most people just say, I wake up, but native speakers love phrasal verbs to sound more natural. Tip number 1, use wake up versus get up. Remember, wake up is when you open your eyes, but get up is when you actually leave the bed. Tip number 2, use kick off. Instead of saying I start my day, try saying I kick off my day with a cup of coffee. It sounds so much more energetic. To make your routine flow, you need time markers. Tip number 3, use first thing in the morning. This is a very common phrase to describe your very first activity. Tip number 4, use then or later on to connect your actions. Don't just say and. It makes your English sound much more professional. How you end your day is just as important as how you start it. Tip number 5, use wind down. This means to relax and slow down before bed. I love to wind down with a good book. Tip number 6, use hit the sack. This is a fun idiom. It simply means to go to sleep. I usually hit the sack around 11 p.m. Now it's time for our favorite part, shadowing. We will practice one sentence for every tip we just learned. I will say the sentence, and then you repeat it out loud. Let's go. I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:30. I wake up at 6, but I get up at 6:30. I kick off my day with a warm cup of tea. I kick off my day with a warm cup of tea. First thing in the morning, I always stretch my body. First thing in the morning, I always stretch my body. I have breakfast, then I start working. I have breakfast, then I start working. I have breakfast, then I start working. I like to wind down by listening to some music. I have breakfast, then I start working. I'm so tired. I'm going to hit the sack now. I'm so tired. I'm going to hit the sack now. You did it! 10 episodes down, 20 to go. You are becoming an English speaker step by step. Episode 10 homework. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Tell me in the comments. I'll check your sentences. If you're proud of reaching episode 10, give this video a big thumbs up. Tomorrow, we start a new chapter with episode 11, Feelings and Emotions. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Don't just learn English, live English. Goodbye and see you in the next episode.